Hey everyone, this video is called K-pop School Bell. It's a really short one, but basically names in the title.
Oh, yeah, got it. It's Chinese.
Okay, so I found the first video on Facebook on an online community I'm a part of, and I asked them if I could get permission to use that video for this, well, YouTube video. They sent me the second link as well. Anyway, this was a thing their school done to promote diversity and different cultures in Australia. Anyway, details of who the video is from and full recognition are below in the description. Anyway, this is Ezra, under and out, K-pop fighting! Okay, that just sounded really dorky, didn't it, people? Sorry.